Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is to warn everyone about fake websites that actually try to lure you into thinking that you're purchasing from a certain brand. Apparently, there's a massive campaign with over 6,000 websites that either imitate or have their own way of showing a website from a known brand. And apparently there's hundreds of brands that are actually in there, from Nike to Puma, Adidas, Columbia, Converse, Timberland, Casio, Skechers, the North Face, Tommy Hilfiger, Doc Martens, Reebok, and so on. All really well-known brands of footwear and clothing and so on. And what happens is that when you get to the websites, they look very authentic. They have pictures that show designs of shoes or clothing that you might want. And of course, they imitate either the web page or, like I said, they have their own page. It looks like it's a good page. Like here, I'm on the real page of the North Face, for example. And what you'll see when you go to the fake page is something that looks so similar and is so well done that you might not notice. Where you notice it mostly is in the URL here at the top, which is slightly different, has something slightly different in it. But then again, even that, it's not that easy to actually observe. And what happens is if you go to one of the fake pages, what's going to happen is that when you go out, you buy stuff and put it in the basket, and then you go out and you give your credit card info and so on. Instead of getting what you want, you're being scammed, and your credit card info is being sold online to vendors so that they can steal money. So how do you know if it's a real or a fake? And that's the good question in this type of attack, because the problem is it comes from the knowing where to go and what is a real URL of a specific brand. Now, one of the first things that is to avoid when you do a search on the web page, make sure that you don't go to what is advertising. You'll notice that when you search on Google, sometimes it's going to give you advertisers at the top, and then they're going to give you the websites when you continue. Avoid the advertisers. A lot of the scammers use advertising through Google to actually lure you. One trick is to actually go to Wikipedia, and I think this is one of the best tricks. And here, for example, you are searching for Clark shoes. You can just Clark. Oops. Shoes. And here you'll see C&J Clark, British International Shoe Manufacturer. And here, when you go here, you will see that there's a little page on the right side of the screen, and it gives you the website. When you click through Wikipedia here, you know that you're going to the real site, not to some fake site. So this is probably your best bet to get to a good and a real clothing page. Unfortunately, that is something, if you're not sure, it's probably your best friend is Wikipedia. So you want to buy anything from Nike, American Athletic Equipment Company. You click here. Here we go. And you go down, website, here we go, Nike.com. And this brings you to the real place. And if there is a local website for where you want to buy stuff from these companies, it's going to bring you to your local country through their page. So it's probably safer to do that, even if it takes a little more time, than it is to actually just search for something and then get into a wrong page and lose all your money from the credit card fraud. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.